This is a review of the Redtiger car vacuum cordless 21,000 portable handheld vacuum that I would definitely recommend. So this handheld vacuum has 70 minutes of runtime, a 3.5 hertz USB-C fast charging system, so it's built in that. It's lightweight 4-in-1 mini handheld cleaner, powerful for your car, home, pets, food. Pretty much it's for this thing could be used for pretty much everything, and pretty much like from your couches, your sofas, your car interior, your pretty much anywhere, countertops, pretty much everywhere, you name it. And it's a 4-in-1 system, long endurance, and also has a light as well too, so to see areas that are dark where you cannot see. I believe it has a built-in light, so that's we're gonna pretty much unbox this and show you guys what you get in the package, and from there we're gonna test to see if this product is whether or not if it's worth it. So you can see here we got everything out of the package, and we get the Redtiger, a pretty much a case to pretty much store it in whenever you're not using it. And I do want to say that the quality of this is very absolutely amazing too. The bag feels very good. I believe the material is made with velvet, and it feels very nice to the touch, and it feels very smooth and super soft. I like the, a huge plus to the it has a portable storage bag where it feels super soft and it's high quality. Then we get the instruction manuals right here. It tells you the user manual and guide on how you exactly operate this and how you exactly install it. So that's right there's a cool thing it has too. And also we get the portable handheld vacuum itself too. You can see here that the quality, it feels very nice. It has a good feel to it. It feels very durable. I like how it feels. And pretty much here you can see there's an on and off switch right here that pretty much has a different settings to blow the air. So it has different settings where you can have it like from high blowing to low pressure to high pressure. And then we get right here is pretty much the thing you attach to right over here. And then right from here we get the pretty much the suction mounts that is right over here, this piece right over here. So then we're gonna have to probably put all this together. We're gonna pretty much install all this together, and then from there I'm gonna show you guys, and we're gonna do a demo of how well this thing works, and we're gonna test this on some areas that are pretty dirty around the house, and maybe we're gonna find different types of areas we can work on to show you guys how good this product works out. So pretty much I want to show you guys in this video that you attach this piece right over here, and from there you should be good to go. And it is charged up too, that it comes with charge. So I'm not sure how much percentage this thing is charged, but we're gonna test it out and see how well this thing works. And I do want to mention that it comes with a USB-C fast charging system as well too, that is located right over here. And these parts that it also comes with too, that stuff is pretty much for your for different accessories of that, however you want to do your cleaning. But for now we're gonna go just test the suction mount right over here, and we're gonna see how well this thing works. So right over here you can see in this area on my tiles I have a little bit of debris and dirt from coming in and coming out of the house. You can see we also have leaves as well too. So I'm gonna pretty much turn on the on button on this thing, and we're gonna see how well this thing works. So this is the on, it like suction, then has a blow system. So we're gonna turn it on to see how loud this thing is. So pretty much it is extremely, I do want to say that it's extremely quiet. It's not as loud as I thought it would be. So pretty much we're gonna test it and see how well this thing works, and we're gonna use the mouse that comes right over here to see how well it cleans up the flooring. So this is the low setting mode, and so far it's doing the job, but let me go dial it up and go into the high mode. So right from here, from seeing this, you can see that It works very well and the quality is really fantastic. I do want to say that it is super quiet and it's not as loud as I thought it would be. And I do like the fact that it is portable and pretty much a handheld. So you could pretty much use this for your car, your pretty much your vehicles. You could use this for pretty much your home as well too, as well as cleaning of some, minor stuff like your towels, your soap. If there's some dirt or pretty much any, anything on your couches that you need to clean, this is perfect to use for that. I love the fact that it is extremely quiet and it's not as loud as it would be. Even from the loudest setting, it's not as loud. And it has 3 different options in settings of suction and blowing. And overall, I would definitely recommend this Redtiger handheld cordless blower because of how it's very versatile, it's very easy to use, and very easy to install. You're like going to pretty much plug and play. It's not anything complicating. It's a very easy, and I love how the mechanism on how this thing works. And overall, I would highly recommend this if you're looking for a handheld portable vacuum cleaner. Then this is probably one of the best ones because of the fact that not only you can use this for your car interior, but you can also use this for your home interiors, or you could use this for your, like I mentioned, your couches, your countertops of your kitchen, pretty much anywhere that there's dust and debris. And you can see that it picked up everything up very well, and majority of the little bit of those tiny bits of dust and debris got picked up from this thing. And that's what you want from a handheld vacuum cleaner. And I would highly recommend the Redtiger handheld portable vacuum cleaner because of how it does what it's intended so, and it pretty much works very wonderful. And I would highly recommend this.